Hello students, first exercise before 5 problems completed. Sixth question, x square plus 3x plus 1 equal to x minus 2 whole square. Check whether the following are quadratic equations or not. So we know that quadratic equation means ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation. Given equation x square plus 3x plus 1 equal to x minus 2 whole square. X square plus 3x plus 1 equal to, here observe a minus b whole square form is there. A square plus b square minus 2ab means 2 into x. A square means x square plus b square means 2 square 4 minus 2ab. X square plus 3x plus 1 equal to x square minus 4x plus 4. 2 2's 4 into x, 4x plus 4. This one send this side total, x square plus 3x plus 1 minus x square, this minus 4x send this side, plus 4x plus 4 send this side, minus 4 equal to 0. Here observe, plus x square minus x square get cancelled. 3x plus 4x, 7x plus 1 minus 4 minus 3 equal to 0. So it is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Means it is not a quadratic equation. Finally, it is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So it is not a quadratic equation. It is not a quadratic equation. Next, seventh question, x plus 2 whole cube equal to 2x into x square minus 1. Here x plus 2 whole cube equal to 2x into x square minus 1. This one a plus b whole cube form is there. Total convert this one, x cube plus 8 plus 6x square plus 12x equal to 2x into x square, 2x cube minus 2x into minus 1, 2x. Here x cube plus 8 plus 6x square plus 12x. This total send this side, minus 2x cube plus 2x equal to 0. Here x cube minus 2x cube. Do subtraction here, minus x cube, x square plus 6x square. Next to 12x plus 2x plus 14x. Here constant observe, plus 8. This is not in the form of, here x cube will be, means third cube. This is not quadratic equation, means it is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So it is not a quadratic equation. Not a quadratic equation. Eighth question, x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 equal to x minus 2 whole cube. This one a minus b whole cube form. X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 as it is, right. This one a minus b whole cube form. X cube minus 8 minus 6x square plus 12x. This total send this side. X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1. This total equal to that side, total send this side, minus x cube plus 8 plus 6x square minus 12x equal to 0. This one do simplify total. X cube plus x cube minus x cube get cancelled. Minus 4x square, here 6x square will get minus 4 plus 6, 2x square minus 1x minus 12x minus 13x plus 1 plus 8 plus 9 equal to 0. So it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here a not equal to 0, one of the condition. So therefore it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, a not equal to 0. That is condition for that. Therefore the given equation is a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Given equation is a quadratic equation. Second one, represent the following situations in the form of quadratic equations. First one, the area of rectangular plot 528 square meters. Length of the plot is one more than twice of its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. Answer, let breadth of the rectangular plot, breadth of the plot, x meters take, breadth of the plot x meters, and length equal to twice of its breadth and one more, means 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1. Now given area of rectangle, area of rectangular plot or rectangle equal to 528 square meters. They given area of rectangular plot 528 square meters, and we know that area of rectangle length into breadth L into B equal to 528. Length what here 2x plus 1 and breadth is x equal to 528. X into total bracket. Here bracket means into x into x, 2x into x, 2x square plus 1 into x. This total plus value send this side, minus 528 equal to 0. So it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now x is the breadth of the rectangular plot in meters they given. So it is a quadratic equation form. Second question, the product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find the integers. Let the consecutive positive integers means continuous integers x and x plus 1. Consecutive positive integers. And given that the product of two consecutive integers is 306. Product means x into x plus 1. These two product equal to 306. Do this one. Here bracket means into x square plus x into 1 x equal to 306. X square plus x. Here this one send this side, minus 306 equal to 0. This is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here x is the smaller positive integer. Here x is smaller positive integer. Third question, Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages after 3 years will be 360 years. We need to find Rohan's present age. Answer, let Rohan's present age equal to x years, take x years. And then what they given, the Rohan's mother present is 26 years, means more than 26 years. Rohan's mother present age equal to x plus 26. X plus 26 years. After 3 years, Rohan's age will be x plus 3. Means after 3 years. After 3 years, Rohan's age. After means x plus 3. And Rohan's mother's age is x plus 26 plus 3 means x plus 29. Her mother's age means Rohan's mother's age when after 3 years. X plus 26 plus 3 means x plus 29. Got it here? X plus 26 plus 3. X plus 29. After 3 years, Rohan's mother's age. Now, these two product x plus 3 into x plus 29 equal to this total 360 equal to 360. These two binomial product, do that. X total bracket multiply now. X into x square plus x into 29 29x plus 3 into x 3x plus 3 into 29 87 equal to 360. This one x square plus 29 plus 3 32x. This total 87. This one send this side minus 360. 87 minus 360 will get minus 273 equal to 0. Here x is a present age of Rohan's and in years. Here what will be x? X is the present age of Rohan in years.